Double-sided sidebar, built-in rich modules. The control panel integrates shortcut tools, volume or brightness adjustment, APP. The signal source option allows you to quickly switch between different system screens. You can also switch systems by using the floating ball. The automatic light sensing function allows the screen to automatically adjust the brightness according to the ambient light. Welcome interface, built-in welcome page with rich themes, also supports custom pages. Built-in system optimization software, which can clean cache, detect device status, etc. No need to upload screen by APP, just scan the QR code to easily upload pictures, videos, and text. System settings page, where you can set everything about the device, such as network, personalized theme, language, etc. Whiteboard files can be saved in PDF, image, and other formats, and can be uploaded to the cloud disk or sent directly via email. Supports whiteboard background color and style adjustment. After writing, scan the QR code with your mobile phone to take it away. Write smoothly. Handwriting follows the pen. Two-color pen mode supports setting pen stroke, color, and handwriting. The writing pen has two heads, thick and thin, for writing different handwritings. Supports multi-language text recognition. Just select the text recognition option in the brush to achieve. In the selection options, you can also copy and query the content, and also support changing the color. Switch between multi-point and single-point options, and easily achieve multi-point writing and page zooming. Supports up to 4 columns of writing, allowing multiple people to create together without restrictions. The toolbars on both sides of the bottom can be switched at will without moving around. Scan the QR code to send to your phone. Open the screen projection page, which supports multiple devices and multiple ways of projection. Scan the QR code with your mobile phone to cast the screen, and the screen will be synchronized smoothly without any lag. Reverse screen projection. The large screen image can be displayed on the mobile phone, and the mobile phone can control the large screen. Document cast screen, which allows the camera image of the mobile phone to be displayed on the big screen. The mobile phone can also be turned into a remote control or mouse to operate the large screen from a distance.